Display? They make a nice display if you had, you know, just put them all on like a
Well, you go on eBay and you can get ones from past years. And,
oh, yeah?
And people are selling them probably for maybe twice as much as what you would pay for them if you bought them originally. So there's a market value on them.
I like them because they don't, it seems like some toys nowadays.
You drop and they break?
What do you want?
You know, actually, like the holidays like this is about the only time I have toys. And then the birthday.
We quit buying toys.
I don't really know. Like Ashton, you know.
I've never bought them.
He just has, you know, this is like the new cool, you know, and he gets his toys now and he'll play with them and they're his very own. But he was playing with pink big Legos for a
He's
while.
got all the other kids' toys. He